Guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to talk about the Wi-Fi that is connected but the internet is not there. So it's a common issue. You can see that I'm now connected to the Wi-Fi according to this icon in the top right corner of my screen. So I am now connected, but let's assume I don't have the internet on my phone. So how we can fix it? So the first solution would be to open the control center by scrolling down from the top of your screen and turning on the flight mode, airplane mode, if you call it so. Okay, so wait for 5 to 10 seconds and then turn it off and check if your Wi-Fi works now, but give additional 1 minute for it to actually process the thing. Okay, the next thing, if it still does not work, what we need to do is to go to settings. Now to go to Wi-Fi tab, and here what you want to do is to press on this information icon at the Wi-Fi network that you're connected to already. Okay, we press on it. And here what you want to do is to press on it, forget this network button, then give your phone to stay for 30 seconds and then try to reconnect to this network. Okay, so if this still doesn't help you, I have one last method that will likely just finish it and help it altogether. Okay, so to do this, we need to restart our phone. So for that, we just simply need to press volume up, volume down, and then the power button, and hold the power button for around 5 seconds. Okay, volume up, volume down, hold the power button. Okay, so now it offers you the option to slide to power off. You're sliding and waiting for 2 to 3 seconds for your iPhone to turn off. So once turned off, give your iPhone 5 to 10 seconds and then try to hold the power button for 5 seconds to turn it on. So after 5 seconds, your iPhone is going to start turning on. And after that, once again, connect to your Wi-Fi network and see if it works. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.